UniFi Access is UniFi's subscription-free, secure, and scalable door access platform, a complete, state-of-the-art system that is thoughtfully designed with ease of use and security in mind. Paired with our new UniFi Switch Mission Critical, a PoE switch with an uninterruptible power supply, you can be assured your network and security systems will stay up and running even when your power is not. This video will cover the Access Reader Pro, the Access Reader Lite, and the Access Hub, as well as the features and capabilities of the UniFi Access application. The UniFi Access Reader Pro is a premium, elegantly designed NFC and Bluetooth door access reader. With a sharp, responsive touchscreen display and a high-resolution camera, the Reader Pro has been designed for employee convenience and a modern guest experience. Fully powered by PoE, the UniFi Access Reader Pro is easy to install and delivers the best experience possible for your employees and guests. Unlocking a door is quick and secure with the UniFi Access mobile app or a quick swipe of our NFC UniFi Access card. You can also use the keypad for passcode security or the doorbell and intercom functionality for full control over your building entry. The UniFi Access Reader Lite is a modern, compact NFC and Bluetooth reader designed for convenient use and secure access. The Reader Lite is fully powered by PoE and supports the latest security standards. When paired with the Access Reader Pro, the Reader Lite is an easy and convenient way to manage your deployment's exit points. The UniFi Access Hub is the controlling unit of your UniFi Access deployment. Fully powered by a single PoE++ port, the hub is equipped with 3 PoE ports and an array of electric interfaces to connect the door readers to the door locks. The hub is capable of supporting 2 door readers, plus an optional surveillance camera, like the UniFi G3 Flex for added security. Highly versatile, the hub comes with an interface that supports most electric bolt, electric strike, and magnetic locks, as well as 12-volt accessories such as motion sensors, push buttons, and alarms. The UniFi Switch Mission Critical is a PoE switch with an internal 368 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, able to provide backup power to critical devices in your deployment. With 2 standard AC ports and 9 1 gigabit Ethernet ports, including 4 PoE ports and 4 PoE++ ports, the Mission Critical can power your modem, UniFi OS console, as well as critical infrastructure devices, such as wireless access points, security cameras, and access hubs and readers. As soon as it detects a loss of AC power, the Mission Critical begins supporting all of your connected devices with its internal battery. Mission Critical will calculate and display the estimated runtime based on the power load of the connected devices. Extend the runtime of the Mission Critical by arranging external batteries in a 48-volt DC configuration. The Mission Critical will run on external battery power before automatically switching to the internal battery, providing seamless operation of your critical devices and applications. All devices are seamlessly integrated and managed by the UniFi Access application. An all-new dashboard design provides a quick, in-depth summary into internal traffic flows, while detailed activity logs keep you informed with comprehensive event recording and high-quality video captures. And with completely customizable access policies, permissions, and schedules, you have complete control over who is allowed access and when. UniFi Access is the simplest and most powerful solution for your security access needs. Learn more at ui.com.